In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check a content plagiarism. It's 100% free of cost, so fast. I'm going to my screen. You can see this is plagiarism checker. I write on Google, then I'm going to number tool. This is small SEO tools. It's 100% free of cost for use, and I want to go a newspaper, so I want to just copy another one, this one, just copy, then go on plagiarism checker, just paste here in content. You can see, just click on plagiarism checker. Just you need to pass a verification or you are human, so I want to check bus. The next button, skip. You can see I already passed, so I want to wait few seconds because this is a processing time. You can see these small SEO tools are find successfully. These sentence are 100% plagiarism because of I copy from here a newspaper. 100% plagiarism, and this is a red alert for you. If you use this article on your website, this is 100% you get Google Play. So you can see this is a perfect video. So if you want to more perfect video from my channel, make sure you have subscribed this channel and turn on notification bell. See you again, take care, goodbye.